মঞ্চে উপবিষ্ট সম্মানিত ট্রাস্টবোর্ড সদস্য, সম্মানিত উপদেষ্টা মণ্ডলী এবং আমার সামনে উপস্থিত সন্দীপ সোসাইটির প্রাণপ্রিয় সদস্যবৃন্দ, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমি এই মুহূর্তে সন্দীপ সোসাইটির সম্মানিত সভাপতি জনাব মোহাম্মদ আব্দুল হান্নানের অনুমতিক্রমে সন্দীপ সোসাইটির আয় ও ব্যয়ের 2020 এবং 2021-এর হিসাব বিবরণী আপনাদের সামনে উপস্থাপন করেছি। হিসাব বিবরণী 2020 ফলিত 2021 আমি এখন আপনাদের সামনে উপস্থাপন করছি। Sandip Society USA schedule of receipt and payments for the period of January 1st, 2021 to December 15, 2021. January 2021. Previous year balance $205,307.33. Month of January, rent received from first floor 3,000, rent received from the second floor December 2,500, rent received from second floor 2,500, care member fee received 2020, 5,100, payments national grid $356.47, national grid 39.55 building super $100. Total received 30,100, total payment $496.020. Month of February, rent received from the first floor 3,000, rent received from the second floor 2,500, life member fee received 1,000, funeral cost refund from Munshi Amin $1,315, payments national grid $393.39, national grid $33.42, building super 100. Total received $7,815, total payment $526.81. Month of March, rent received from the second floor, from the first floor 3,000, rent received from the second floor 2,500, farewell gift paid to, payments farewell gift paid to Mr. Nul Afsar 3,000, payments national grid $410.07, national grid $31.67, building super 100. Total received $5,500, total payment $3,541.74. Month of April, rent received from the first floor 3,000, rent received from the second floor 2,500, life member fee received 500, general member fee received $540. Payment building super $100, press for general meeting $300, national grid $328.66, national grid $37.62, printing and etc. $460. Funeral cost paid for Yasmin Akhtar $37.81, Mohammed Abdul Rahim $37.81, Munshi Amin $37.81, Jildar Alam $37.81, Gul Nahar $37.81. Total received $6,540, total payment $20,131.28. Month of May, rent received from first floor 3,000, rent received from the second floor 2,500, payments national grid $186.67, national grid $33.69, CPA fee $1,500, cash deposit fee 1.85 cent, building super $100. Total receipt $5,500, total payment $1,822.21. Month of June, rent received from the first floor $3,000, rent received from the second floor $2,500, payments building super $100, press for advisor meeting $300, national grade $110.53, national grade $36.90, total receipt $5,500, total payment $547.43. Month of July, rent received from the first floor $3,000, rent received from the second floor $2,500, life member fee received $2,500, jail member fee received $2,670, donation received from M. Pasha $500, payments national grade $65.41, national grade $36.80, cash deposit fee $19.37, building super $100. Total received $11,170, total payment $221.58. Month of August, rent received from the first floor $3,000, rent received from the second floor $2,500, life member fee received $33,000, jail member fee received $75,240. Payment national grade $64.71, national grade $43.78, AC and fan person for office $820, funeral cost paid for Shamsun Nahar Begum $832, Mohammed Shakwat Hussain $833, Mohammed Shainuddin $5,045. Other printing $1,250, cash deposit fee $148.28, building super $100, exterminator fee $140, tax return to IRS $125, voter list, poster and banner printing $2,000. Total income $113,740, total payment $17,401.77. September, rent received first floor $3,000, rent received to second floor $2,500, payment national grade $72.76, national grade $51.08, plumbing work $625, one call voice message $3,105, payment of election expenses to the election commissioner $3,125, building super $100, lot cleaning $200. Total receipt $5,500, total payment $7,278.84. October, rent received $3,000, payments farewell gift to Mr. Din Islam $3,000, property insurance $3,815.50, national grade $66.41, national grade $49.15, flood and drain cleaning $170, building super $100. Total receipt $3,000, total payment $7,201.06. Month of November, rent received from the first floor $3,000, payment basement flood cleaning and plumbing $270, national grade $140.51, national grade $56.98, building super $100. Total receipt $3,000, total payment $567.49. Month of December, rent received from the first floor $3,000, funeral cost refund from Khairul Jamal's family $5,700, life members fee received $1,000, payments building super $100, national grade 00, Property tax 2020 and 21, $8,369.60. Dua Mahfil for Mr. Mahmudul Mala Nannu, food cost $944. Printing bill paid for 2015 Street Fair $1,700. Funeral cost paid for Jayan Ahmed $2,435. Total receipt $9,700. Total payment $13,548.60. Year of 2021 income $190,065. Year of 21 expenses $73,284.33. Year 2021 balance $190,065 minus $70,284.33. Total income $116,780.67 for 2021. Total deposit in the bank $116,780.67 plus $205,307.33 equal to $322,088. Total deposit $322,088. This financial statement has been verified by Mr. Arman Chaudhary, CPA, Audit Committee, Mr. Halaluddin, Senior Vice President, Fosiul Alam, Vice President, Hamdi Ridwan Al-Bari, Assistant Treasurer, Abdul Karim Butchu, Member, prepared by Muhammad Amjad Hussain. 2021 হিসাব বিবরণী আপনাদের সামনে পেশ করা হয়েছে। এর উপরে যদি আপনাদের কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকে আপনারা করতে পারেন, এটার উত্তর আমি অথবা আমাদের সম্মানিত সভাপতি বা সেক্রেটারি মহোদয় আপনাদেরকে এর উত্তর প্রদান করবেন। সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ, ভালো থাকবেন।